everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'll be doing a Louis Vuitton unboxing, but before I'm going to reveal what I've purchased in the past few days, let me show you this beautiful, lovely holiday packaging of 2022, and I think it is the collaboration with the Lego. So right here on my left, I think this is the smallest bag that they have, and look at that. Look at that, guys. I think it's gorgeous, and it seems to look like it's written right here, Louis Vuitton Paris, and it seems like this logo right here, it is actually erased and engraved, embossed, so you can literally feel the logo, as well as the Lego as well. The Lego right here, yeah, so you could literally see it right here. This is in a combination of a matte finish and this gold foil in it right there. This is so stunning. It's so festive. It actually fits for the Christmas holiday celebration. The packaging, just like that. And the inside actually is just plain. Okay, so this is the first packaging that they have, with a combination of their gold, red, right there. Okay. And also, it came in with this card right here. So this one is in green color. So the large Lego right there. And right here, Louis Vuitton inside in a gold foil right there. So this red shopping bag right here actually matches this card right here. So this one should go together. And also as well as the green one in the green bag, and also with the white one. But I love all the colors. I don't know what you guys think about the holiday packaging. I think they're beautiful. I think they're gorgeous, and it is perfect for gifting now that holiday Christmas is just around the corner. And yet, when you purchase something from Louis Vuitton for a gift, you don't need a gift wrapping, because this would serve as your gift wrapping. Definitely this one is perfect for holiday, definitely. So anyway, this is for this year, and it is actually, yeah, I have some Lego right here. I have some Legos right here, and I have the red, definitely have this green color, and literally you can't compare it with the bag itself right here. And when you go to the store, you'll be able to see right through the windows that they have all the Legos right there. And at first I thought they have a collaboration with the small leather goods or ready to wear or any merchandise with the Lego, but unfortunately they didn't have any of those. They didn't have any merchandise at all. It is just a collaboration with the packaging, with the Christmas tree as well. And yeah, it might be like so interesting to see what they come up with the Lego, but unfortunately they didn't have that merchandise. And also, I was told by my essay that with the decorations that they have for this year, right through the window, they are made up of Legos, they will be donating it later at the end of the holiday. They will be donating it to the school. So that's what she told me. But this is the packaging for this year. It is so festive. I totally love it. It's wow, it's beautiful. At first, when I saw a photo of it, I thought it was a damier print, but it's not. It is actually made up of Legos. So anyway, this is for this year. And last year is actually this beautiful floral right there. So beautiful. I like it from last year, but for some reason this one was actually a recall, for the reason that the interior, there is this blue color inside, and this actually bleeds through the merchandise. So that's why this was recalled from last year, unfortunately. But look at that. It's also festive as well. Those fleur-de-lis and stuff. I think it's lovely. So I still have mine from last year. This is the card. This is the ribbon. It's in blue color. This year the ribbon is in gold color right there. I think it is lovely. So beautiful. So on this video I will be showing you the items that I've purchased. So the first item that I've got is wrapped like this. So it has those white card in here, and then the ribbon. So beautiful. It has this mustard color, the ribbon, but it's a little bit like darker than the Louis Vuitton package box right here. So that's how it looks. So maybe you guys already have an idea of what this is, and let me just show you what I've got. Okay, I have already got a lot of these type of packaging, guys, and I save them for some reason. I love this packaging. Okay, I got a Louis Vuitton book. So let me just open this book so that you guys have an idea what this looks like. So if you guys have been following me on my YouTube, I have been collecting this travel book, and I probably I'm not sure how many I've got, but maybe almost 20 of these. But I am planning to complete my collection at the end of this year, but I am not rushing to complete them. Whenever I see them at the store, I ask my essay. So I ask if they have this one available, but not all of those travel books are available at the store, and also not an online as well. But this one is the Los Angeles one, and this is how it looks. Just to show you a little bit of what's inside, just like that. So just to give you an idea, maybe you're interested of getting one of these as a gift. I think this one is perfect. So that's just pretty much how it looks for the Los Angeles book right there. So the next item, this is just the first part of my unboxing, and then this is the second item, and it has this red card right here that matches this bag right there. I just want to let you know, guys, that all of these shopping bags that I have here for the holiday, I did ask my essay about it. I am not sure when it is going to be available at your local Louis Vuitton boutique. I'm not even sure about that. Maybe if you live in a flagship store, they already have it. But I believe in the past few years, I believe they are giving it away. I think at the right after Thanksgiving, as far as based on my experience. But I spoke to my essay, and she gave me all those bags right there, and I think there's only one bag that I'm missing. I think it's the blue one. because I have the red, and that is the white and gold, and then that is the green, and they also have a blue as well. So she told me that I could always come by and pick up the other color. So maybe later I'll go and see, but I'm not sure if, yeah, it's a holiday packaging. I believe they are very limited, and also I'm also not sure that you may just like, you could purchase anything at the store, and then they gave you right away, they gave you this packaging. I am not really sure about that, but for any reason, if you went to the store and wanted the holiday packaging, and it turns out that you received something that is just a regular bag, you may want to ask them to have, if they have it available, you may want to ask them to get the holiday packaging, because you will definitely gonna love it, especially if you're buying something and as a gift. This is actually a perfect gift shopping bag, actually. I mean, it's beautiful, it's gorgeous, I love it. Definitely just like that you put it inside, and that's it, you got a gift. You don't need to buy any extra wrapping at all. So anyway, this is the second item, and let me show you. Okay, the second item is, it is a small leather goods, and it is, oh my gosh, I'm so excited for this. It is, wow, it is a key pouch, and I almost missed this. I asked my essay weeks ago regarding this item, and it has been sold out. I did not pre-order this item, yet she told me that whenever this became available at the store, she's gonna put it aside. And yet I was so happy that I was able to get this key pouch right here for the holiday animation of 2022. Right here. Wow, it's so beautiful. The attention of details is absolutely stunning. Wow. So this is how it looks inside. It has this rose ballerine lining. I got them made in France. And then the product information is M81639. And this is how it looks inside. This one has a gold hardware right here, so you guys could see, really shiny gold. And yeah, this is just basically the same as the key pouch, without this animation print. And these are definitely beautiful. Wow, I totally love this print. It is more likely a collector's piece. I have collected several of these, the holiday animation, and I rarely use them, to be honest. They're just sitting right here in my shelves. That's because I am a little bit scared that the screen printed animation right there would chip off, or definitely would fade. So that's why. And for this one, I could just literally use this as a bag charm. So you can hang it in any of your purse and use it as a bag charm. I think it is so cute, just like that. So these are the two items that I picked up in the past few days. I have picked up several more, but I will be doing a separate video on that. So anyway, yeah, go ahead, go to your nearest Louis Vuitton store, ask your essay regarding the holiday packaging. You will definitely gonna love it. I love all the look at the colors. They're so vibrant, they're so pretty. This is the ribbon for this here. You can ask for that. This is the card. Don't forget to ask. But also, guys, I'm not even sure if you purchase it online. I I know online there is an option that you could actually add a shopping bag. So if your item is eligible for the shopping bag, right away you'll see the prompt right there. But if it's not going to show right at the website. But I am not sure that it is with the holiday packaging. I'm not 100% sure. But just to make it sure, to get the holiday packaging, contact your SA, or just walk into the store and ask any client advisor. I think they could help you with the holiday packaging. I totally love it this year. Yeah, they're beautiful. So anyway, that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.